conducts these workshops at a large number of venues all over India. If you want to come and learn these art forms with us, come join our workshops. To get details of the schedule of these workshops, call us on 9967455588. I repeat, 9967455588. Or if you think you are confident enough to do it yourself just by watching a video, ready-made DIY kits are also available on our website www.penkraft.in.